how you can upload these Dropbox images into Shopify store or any store, Bigcommerece, Wix, or Amazon. If the because the images linked from Dropbox not workable on Shopify or Bigcommerece or Wix. So what you need to do, you can see here. I can show you. First, I will copy this link. This one 6033. Okay. So when I go into my Shopify store, okay, so you can see here when I click on select existing images, so I go here and I will add using add from URL. So when I paste this link here and click on add file, you can see here it's uploading, but you can see it's failed to upload because the format of the images is not correct. You can see here one file failed to upload. So what we need to do, we need to go again into the URL, and what we need to do, we need to paste same URL here. Okay, so you can see here the full URL of the image. So what you need to do, you can see here and DL is equal to 0. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to replace DL is equal to 0 to raw RAW is equal to 1. Okay, so when you replace this and then again add the same file again, you can see here processing, you can see now my image is uploaded. Okay, so my images link are working now, it's workable on all platforms. So what we need to do next, you can see when you have more images in a file like Excel file like this, so you have to manage to you don't need to do one by one. DL is equal to raw is equal to 1, raw is equal to 1. What we will do, we will replace DL is equal to 0, copy this. Okay, so paste this, control F, control F first, then paste this DL is equal to 0, then replace this with R is equal to raw is equal to 1. Okay, so replace all, click on select this and replace all. When you replace all of your images, if you have 10 images, if you have 20, if you have 100, 200, all of these images will perfectly work on any platform. Okay, so this problem will be solved and your images will be workable. Thanks for watching.